On this one, we've got the leg press machine. You have another lever here, which will determine the distance you are close to the foot plate. When you come into here, you want to get as much range as possible because you're going to be doing all your legs on here. Squeeze yourself in on the first bit. Hands on the knees as you press away, so you protect your back. Shuffle in, so your back is in here. Once you're in the position, you can let go. Hold on to these. Let yourself come back as far as possible. Then come out. Don't lock the knees. So all the way in, all the way out, but no locking the knees. If you want to work your calves, you drop your feet down, so the ball of the foot is on the step. And then from here, you press the toes out, relax it back. Press the toes out, relax it back. Again, my knees are not locked out. And this is a very little movement at all. It's all through the ankles. When you finish this though, please remember to bring your feet back up to come back in, so you don't accidentally skip off and bang your shin on